couple months ago, I let my buddy borrow my chainsaw. When I gave it to him, it had a full tank of gas, a full tank of oil, and a razor sharp chain. After a couple of months, he finally gave it back to me, and let's just check out the condition that it's in. Well, first thing I noticed was there's about 3 tablespoons of gas left in it. There's about 4 tablespoons of oil in it. One other really neat feature, check this out. Oh, look at that. The chain brake is gone. It's completely burned up. That's unusual. Let's see how it cuts through this nice dry block of wood. Yeah! Showing that 2x6 response. Nice. Moral of the story, don't ever let your friends borrow your chainsaw.